Sapphire Hotel?
Yes.
Yes. We arrived.
Yeah. Morning, sir. Welcome to Sapphire Hotel.
Good morning. Oh, are you okay?
Okay. Please come in, sir. Good morning. I want to reserve an executive suite just for myself.
Good morning. Welcome to the Sapphire Hotel. What can I do for you, sir?
We want to reserve the room for 3 nights.
Can I have your name, please?
Okay. Carl Salamanca.
What kind of room do you prefer, sir?
We want a triple room.
Let me check the availability of the room. Wait for a second, sir.
Oh, sure.
It's great. The view in the third floor is
Oh, sorry, but we don't have any triple room available, sir. Can I suggest you a quad room?
How much would that cost?
It's 2,500 per night, sir.
Okay. What about the wireless internet?
Oh, it's really easy. This is your access code and instruction on how to use it. This is also the list of all the amenities like the indoor pool and gym. If you have any question, please feel free to call the front desk.
Thank you.
I've got you all checked into your room. This is your room key. Your room number is 653. Just take the elevator on your left up to the 6th floor. When you get off the elevator, turn to your right and walk at the end of the corridor. Just leave your suitcase here in the bellboy. We'll bring it up.
Thank you very much.
If you need anything, please feel free to dial the front desk.
Bro.
Enjoy your stay. Have a wonderful day.
Enjoy your stay, sir.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
I'm here to check out, please.
May I have your name, please?
It's Jamsai Andrew.
Jamsai and... Just a moment while I check you and print this form. So, how was your stay with us, sir?
Oh, it's great. Actually, the view in the third floor is very fantastic.
Yes, it is. In fact, the view in your room was one of the best things you could see. So, here it is. Please sign at the bottom of this paper.
Morning, sir.
According to this form, my total bill is 21,000. How it get high?
I'm sorry, sir. The bill for a single premium suite king is 15,000 pesos, excluding the restaurant and bar drinks, which is 6,000 pesos, and the total bill was 21,000 pesos.
Oh, I see. Thanks for clarifying that to me.
No problem, sir. So how would you like to settle the payment this afternoon, Mr. Jamsai?
Here is my MasterCard.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for choosing Sapphire Hotel. Have a great day.
Good morning, Sapphire Hotel. This is Claudette. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to reserve a executive room just for myself.
Can I have your name, please?
I am Jonathan Grospe.
Alright, Mr. Grosser, this is for what date, if I may ask?
On April 1 to April 3.
One moment, please. I just check the availability of the room on that date, Mr. Grosser.
Alright, go ahead.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. Grosser. The room you requested is available. Shall I go ahead and reserve it for you?
Absolutely, yes.
Sir, what mode of payment do you prefer to guarantee the room?
I'll pay it through credit card.
Sir, can I ask for your credit card details, please?
Sure, it's 555-999-333-222-111 and it will be expired on January 1, 2006.
555-999-233. Thank you for that information, Mr. Grospe. Your reservation is being confirmed on April 1 to April 3 in the executive suite room. Do you have any requests?
That will be all for now.
Thank you for choosing Sapphire Hotel and have a good day.
Bye.
It's rich.
Alam mo naman. Oh!
Sabihin mo mag-ano ka mag-yacht ng the list of all the amenities like the indoors and pool and gym. Ay, mali. Left up to the right. Ay.
Left up to the right.
Well, I checked you and print this form.
Morning, sir. It's great. The view in the third floor is...
Hoy, natatoy sa mga camera.
Check out, please.
May I have for a single premium suite. Hotel.
Morning. Go ahead.
Your requested is available